Hey everyone, thanks for tuning back into our channel. If you're loving our content, give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Stay tuned for more awesome tutorials and reviews. In this tutorial, I'm going to review Sincode AI and I will show you how to use it. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So the first thing that you need to do is open your browser and kind of go to Sincode AI, or you can simply type on Google Sincode AI and just click the first link that come up and you will be directed in this page. And from here it will show you the details about this platform, in which it says here that using this platform you can boost your productivity with the help of AI, which using this platform you can create a content at lightning speed in which Sincode AI save your time and money, in which this platform greatly reduces the cost associated with hiring professional writers or agencies, and these platforms are really fitted to the copywriters, to all content creators, marketers, entrepreneurs, or basically everyone, since this platform offers for content for blog posts, articles, Facebook advertisements, Google ad campaigns, Quora responses, and sales-related email to boost click rates, link generation, and sales revenue. So in this platform, you can find all your tools in one convenient place, since it is a comprehensive platform that brings together the latest advancement in artificial intelligence to help you. And here are the 3 steps in order to use this. 4. The first one is to select an AI tool or choose from a variety of way tools to write social media ads, hero section blog posts, and many more. While the second step is to write your keywords, in which you need to explain to the AI what kind of things you want to write. And the more the details, the better the output. And for the last step is to wait for it to generate or lets the AI do its thing. And aside from those details, this platform also offers a variety or different kind of plans that you can purchase. By clicking the pricing option on the top panel, it will show you the different plans that you can avail. We have here the free trial, the starter and pro plan amounting to $1 for first month, while $20 per month for the starter for the following month and $49 on the pro plan for the following month. And below those plans, you will see the benefits and feature that they offer. And let's say you want to join the starter plan, just click do it for $1 and you will be directed in this page. And from here, just enter join for $1 and you will be directed in this payment options in the purchase for $1. The starter plan, all you need to do on the right side panel is to fill out all of the required information in order to pay, with card including your card information, the new one card your country, and proceed by clicking the subscribe button. And after purchasing the starter plan, you will be directed in this dashboard. And as you can see in the left side panel, it will show you the other options, including Home, My Content Image Generator Document Editor, and Marv Chat. And also Learning Center below, in which on the home page it will show you the advanced tools that they offer, such as Image Generator, Marvel, Chat like Chat, GPD, Business Builder, Workflow, Transcribe, Audio Detects, and any other tools. And below that, you can also see other tools, including Content Improver as a writer, Google Ads Generator, Product Description, and many more, in which those tools will be helpful in order to boost your productivity and enhance the quality of your content. Since using the Sincode AI, you can now easily generate or create your own content using the available tools. Let's say for the essay writer, and in creating or generating an essay, you need to fill out all of their required informations on the website panel, including language, your essay headline, in which you can customize by typing a few words, in which it will serve as the headline of your essay, and below that you need to write a short description about your essay, which from here you need to explain to the AI what you want to write. And you can write a description with a maximum of 10,000 words. And after that, below here, you can also choose the specific AI that you want or you prefer to assist you. We have GPD Power and GPT 3.5. Well, from here, you can also customize the number of words of your essay. From 500, you can reduce it to 400, depending on the number of words that you prefer. And after that, proceed by clicking Generate. And upon clicking on it, it will show you on the right side that your essay has now been generating. From here, we can see the headline that we enter the title of your essay. The introduction that even had a thesis statement included the body part of your essay and even the conclusion part or last part of your essay, which is currently in progress or still generating. So this platform, Sincode AI, can be valuable too in writing essay by providing assistance and support in generating ideas, researching information, outlining and structuring, and even for grammar and spelling checks. And aside from that, you will see on the last part of your essay the sources or references that the ID of your essay comes from in the top panel of your essay. It will show you other options, including the repairs option to replace all of this content of your essay, and you can also build italic underline the essay by your choice. And as you can see here, this whole essay is contained on 395 words, which is almost the same to our preferences on 400 words. And if you're concerned if your essay can be plagiarized by any other detectors, you can copy and paste this context of your essay to plagiarism checker platforms such as smallcelltools.com. Image from here, all you need to do is to copy and paste your text to the deck, plagiarize content. So from here, just copy the content, including the introduction from this part until in here. So just copy this context and proceed on the plagiarism checker and just paste this context. However, if you feel like it's still not enough context, you can just add the body part of your essay in order to test the accuracy of the plagiarism checker. But at this point, we're just going to test it out. The introduction part of the essay that has been generated based in code, AI, and below here just proceed by checking the boxes. I'm not a robot, which is for security purposes, and proceed by clicking or answering the reCAPTCHA to proceed to access the plagiarism checker feature. So after that, just click check plagiarism, and it will show you that the content has now been processed, in which on the result it will reveal the percentage of plagiarism content and the unique content in our essay. And now for the result, it will show you that it is 100 unique content. And aside from those results, you can also see here the extra word gun is statistics, including the number of syllables, sentences, unique words, and many more. So based on the result of plagiarism checker, this simply means that Sincode AI is not only generating ideas, researching information, outlining and structuring, but also provide a plagiarism detection, which is very helpful to ensure academic integrity and originality in your writing. So that's it. That is just Sincode AI review and tutorial. Thank you.